So how can you save audio files in the Photos app on iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So when you have some videos or photos in the Files app, you can hold down on them and click on Share and just save it to the Files application. The Photos app, right? Of course. But when it comes to audio files like MP3 or voice recordings, right? Those by default cannot be saved in the Photos app. There are some workarounds, of course, so there are some things you can do, but it's not like a one-click solution, right? So the best way by far, if you ask me, is to turn it into a blank video, right? So just stay with me on this. There are like plenty of video editors. For example, there is the CapCut, which is free to download, right? And you can choose like a new project and literally just import some like blank image, like it might be something black or whatever, right? It doesn't matter. But in there, you choose to add audio, click on these sounds, and you literally just bring that sound by going to the folder, device, and select from device, and you basically bring in the audio file like this. So you just attach it to the video, right? Make sure you stretch it out or do whatever you need, right? But you just export it as a video containing that audio file. And once you have that, it will already be saved in the Photos application. Obviously, the visual part of this is irrelevant, right? We don't really need the visual part. We only need the audio, and that way it's going to be saved together in the gallery, right? So it is something which you can do, but as I say, there is a little bit of a workaround required. So let me know if you manage to actually make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials. That is, of course, if you subscribe, so do that, and I'll see you then.